All right, it's okay if you can't see me so well, but I'm going to show you how we solve problem one. So problem one says a recipe for sparkling orange punch needs 4 cups of orange juice and 5 cups of soda water to make 1 batch of punch. Fill in the table below so that the amounts of orange juice and soda water you would need for different amounts of batches of sparkling orange punch. So in my chart, we've got our orange juice on the left and our cups of soda water on the right. And we put in the 4 and the 5. So you have some blanks here that you're going to work on filling in. And you're probably going to want to have some scrap paper so you can try to do some math. So my first ratio is 4 to 5. That's what's in this first column. And I'm going to look and see, here's my second number, and it's a 10, and it's on the 5 side. I'm going to think 5 times what gives me 10? 5 times 2 gives me 10. So I need to multiply this side by 2 also, and I get 4 times 2 is 8. So my first blank is going to be 8. Now I'm going to look for my second one. My second one is the 12, and it's under the 4. So on my scrap paper, I can go back, and I'm starting with a 4 to 5 ratio. I have a 12. It's on the 4 side, so I put the 12 here. Now I want to think, 4 times what gives me 12? So I would do 4 times 3 gives me 12. So I have to do the same thing over here and go 5 times 3. 5 times 3 is 15. So 15 goes with my 12. Let me erase these. So we can go to our next one. So here I have a 16 in my orange juice column. So again, I'm starting with my 4 to 5, and remember finding equivalent ratios. 4, I'm going to 16. So I want to think 4 times what is 16. So I might need to do some division and just say, okay, well 16 divided by 4 gives me 4. So I'm timesing this side by 4. So that means I have to times my soda water by 4. And I would do 5 times 4 is 20. So 20 goes with my 16. All right. And then my last problem, I'm back to my soda water side. I'm starting with my 4 to 5 ratio. And I have a 25 here. So my 25. And I'm going to think, 5 times what number gives me 25? I might need to use my calculator and divide and say, okay, well 25 divided by 5 gives me 5. So I'm multiplying by 5 here. So if I multiply this side by 5, I multiply this side by 5. 4 times 5 is 20. So 20 cups goes with 25. Oops. 20 cups of orange juice mixed with 25 soda water. So what this is it's a table of ratios. And if I look at it, since this was, let's see, this was a times 5. This would be like if I had 5 batches. And this would be like 4 batches. So sometimes they go right in order. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. And this side goes up by 4s. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. That's one way to do a ratio table or to fill in a ratio table. But you always want to kind of think back to what am I multiplying each of them by.